guys, quick video here. I've been asked lately, hey, do you check your capacitors live? You know, sometimes I do, but I'm not truly convinced. And I'm gonna show y'all why. We're gonna check this capacitor here. It's a 45 plus 7.5. We're gonna take our amp reading off of the fan. We're gonna check the fan. We're drawing, let's go with 0.9. Okay, so get our calculator here. 0.9 times the constant, which is 2652, equals. Okay, now we need to get our voltage from common to fan across the capacitor. So we'll go fan to common. We'll say 353. So we're going to divide this by 353. Showing the capacitor is putting out let's just say 6.77. Okay, so let's remember that. 6.77 on the fan side. Now let's do the hermetic. Let's take our amp draw on the start winding of the compressor, which is right there. 6.4. All right. 6.4 times the constant, 2652, equals. Okay, let's get our voltage across common and hermetic. Common to hermetic. We'll call that 380.8 divided by 380.8. Okay, 44.4. Let's just say 44.58. Okay, now we're going to kill the disconnect. And we're going to check it non-live. Short out the capacitor just in case. All right, guys, I'm gonna kill the video. We're gonna take the capacitor completely off. All right, here's the capacitor. Again, it's a 45 plus 7.5. Here's our values. I wrote them down here on the wiring diagram. Okay, now let's see what it comes to checking it like this. We have the meter set up on microfarads. Okay, we're gonna go common. This is common to fan. 7.52 versus 6.77. It's a big difference. All right, guys, sorry about that. Got a phone call, interrupted the video. Okay, our hermetic was calling 44.8 live. So again, we are on microfarads. Let's do common. Common and the hermetic both have 3 pins on this particular capacitor. We're getting an even 45, 45. Versus 44.8. So I don't know, you know, a lot of guys live by the live test and a lot of guys also go by this. I mean, either way, this capacitor is, well, according to the live test, the fan side probably is bad or too weak with it. It's not in the tolerance. Well, these are 10%, so it might be. The compressor's fine, either whether you go by the live or this one. I don't know though. I'm not convinced about the live. Love to hear what you guys think. All right, guys, I just wanted to shoot a video on that real quick. Thank y'all for watching, and we'll see y'all on the next one.